The wireless solar-powered security camera system includes 6 pieces, 100% wire-free cameras, and NVR with a 500 gigabyte hard drive. There is a wireless private connection between the NVR and the wireless security cameras, which ensures more stable, farther and faster transmission and maximizes the information security. Equipped with a pre-installed 500 gigabyte hard drive, which has enough memory space to store more videos and supports playback videos up to several years. The wireless security camera system includes 6 rechargeable cameras and 6 solar panels that you can upgrade to a total of 10 cameras for maximum security. The security system adopts a 4mm lens, a 10 by digital zoom, 2 LED lamp beads, and a 5 decibel antenna. Dual LED light source supports 32 foot and a wide angle for color night vision. You can also turn on the spotlights using the app to achieve color night vision. It includes a smart PIR motion detection and app instant alerts with a detection range of 32 foot. And there are also microphones and speakers on the security camera, which supports real-time responses. For viewing your feeds, connect the NVR to your router or connect display to the Wi-Fi, and also utilize the downloadable app.